The mixture of two quantities costing rupees 6 and rupees 9 are mixed in the ratio 3 is to 2. What is the selling price if loss is 10%? Now, first we'll have to find out the cost price of the mixture. Now, the first cost price is 6, second cost price is 9. Let's assume the cost price of mixture as X. So now, by cross subtracting, we have your 9 minus X and over here X minus 6. Now, the ratio is given to us as 3 is to 2. So therefore, we can have the equation as 9 minus X upon 3 is equal to X minus 6 upon 2. Cross multiplying, we get 18 minus 2X is equal to 3X minus 18. So we have 5X is equal to 36. Hence, we get X is equal to 7.2. So this is the cost price of the mixture, 7.2. Now, we want to find out the selling price. Now, selling price is cost price into multiplier. Now here there is a loss of 10% and hence multiplier will become 1 minus fraction equivalent of 10%, that is 1 by 10. So that will become 9 by 10. So cost price is 7.2, multiplier will be 9 by 10. So selling price will be 6.48. Hence our answer will be option A.